Hello. Let's create a trigger. Then add new post action. Fill in your web server and file path where you will send your requests. You can choose local or global variable here. Then, select parameters you want to send to your web server. You can choose string parameters and number parameters. Let's get summary response from your server. Also, do not forget to select string response variables and number response variables, if the conditions are correct. Let's hit play. As we can see, out web server returns some data to our local variables. Now, let's take a look into web server's file. We sent name and age to our web server. We went into conditions and returned JSON encoded array with new data. That's all. Thanks for watching.